Brooklyn-bound 2 trains are making all local stops from 96th Street to Chambers Street. Transfer between 1 and 8 train service at Times Square 42nd Street and 168th Street.
Attention passengers, 1 trains are running in 2 sections between 242nd Street and 96th Street, and between Southbury and Times Square 42nd Street. 1 trains are not running between Times Square 42nd Street and 96th Street in either direction because of a derailment at 96th Street. For alternate service, transfer to the A, C, D, or use the M7 and 104 bus. Attention passengers, Uptown 1 trains are experiencing delays because of a non-revenue train being moved from the main line at 96th Street. We will have trains running normally as soon as possible. We apologize for the inconvenience.